Hey, we're out here in Lake Las Vegas. Come tour this luxury home with me. Get a little taste of luxury living. Heron offers great floor plan variety, including both single and two-level homes with flexible, modern architecture.
Imagine waking up to stunning lakefront views and enjoying resort-style living. Having access to world-class amenities, not only that, but Lake of Las Vegas also offers peace and serenity, making it the perfect place to call home.
I'd love to be your resource for living in or moving to Lake Las Vegas. Tell me, what is your vision of the perfect luxury lifestyle?